Hi, welcome to Flipped Classroom episode number 3. This is the final Flipped Classroom lesson for rigid motion unit. Okay, and we are going to be constructing our third rigid motion, which is reflections. Okay, using a compass and straight edge, construct a reflection of line segment AB over the given line of reflection. Label the image A prime, B prime. You have to remember the concept that we learned when a point reflects perpendicularly over a line. We are going to be referring to one of our 6 basic constructions. We are going to be doing this middle one, perpendicular through a given point off of the line. So this would be my point that I would be reflecting. I want to take point A and reflect it perpendicularly over the line. The first step is to put your compass on point A, stretch it a little bit over, and make a loop. This helps us get 2 endpoints. Now what you're going to be doing between these 2 endpoints is you are going to be doing a perpendicular bisector. The thing is, I'm not going to show the whole swish swish make a fish. I'm only going to show like the little top part. Okay, but technically I am doing a full perpendicular bisector. Okay? So this point at the end of your perpendicular bisector is A prime. Number 2, I'm going to be reflecting this point perpendicularly over the line. Start with your compass on B. Stretch it a little bit over, make the loop. You just created 2 endpoints, and you are going to do a perpendicular bisector between. I'm not going to show the whole thing. I'm just going to get my X marks the spot. Use your straight edge. Okay, that would be a reflection construction. Okay, number 7, it's the same idea. We will be constructing a reflection, but we will do all 3 vertices. So you should have 1 loop for A, and reflect A prime. Then you're going to reflect point B, then you're going to reflect point C. The key part of this reflection is once you set up your compass for A and you make your loop here, you need to keep your compass the same width when you go to get your X marks the spot. A prime. Okay, because look how far B is. It's farther down the line. So you're going to need to adjust your compass for each point on the triangle. So now you're going to make a loop for B. Find out where it intersects. This point is B prime. And then again, you're going to reset your compass for C because it's closer to the line of reflection. I need to make a new loop wherever it intersects. You're going to get X marks the spot. Then you're going to take your straight edge and draw your triangle. Now, I think I labeled this wrong. Okay, I misread the directions. I need to label it D, E, F. So A becomes D, B becomes E, and C becomes F. Okay, that's it for this flipped classroom. Have fun doing your reflections.